Now let us see the IVEN management module in detail. The credentials for the management module will be provided by the IVEN software development team, which will help you to land on the management dashboard. Once you enter your portal, or that is the management module, you can see your management status, which includes the number of batches, the number of teachers, the number of students that are enrolled within a particular management. Also, the number of assignments that have been given to various number of students at different batches by teachers can also be viewed. Along with it, the students' consolidated report, where the total number of students and the report of who are the students who are securing above the 70%, who are securing below the 70% range, what are the actions and who are the teachers associated with it can be easily visualized in the consolidated report section. Once you click on the teachers option, institute heads can see all the teachers' information in detail. Here, the institute management can perform various actions like adding a teacher's detail or removing a teacher's detail. Also, the institute management can see number of classes or batches and the subjects that have been assigned to each and every specific teacher. In the batch registration, the institute management can see the details of the batch. That is the number of students that are involved in the batch and the teachers that are associated with it. Updation to those details can also be done by add and delete buttons. In the week test, the management is enabled to conduct examinations weekly basis on a specific week portion. For doing this, you can select few details like title of the examination, the code of the paper, the duration of the timing, and the specific exam time slot. That is the time in which you want to conduct the examination, the exam type, and the batch for which the exam will be conducted. After filling all the details, select the subject and the chapter and even the topic in which you want to conduct the weekend paper. And then when you click on the generate paper, a paper will be generated. The question paper that is generated will be specific for the batch of students that have been selected, and the key and the explanation for that paper will also be released out or given out. This customization can be done for a weekly basis also. In the custom question column, a page will be displayed with options to select and generate a question paper, which includes the subject, chapter, topic, and difficulty level. When you again click on the generate button, it displays your question paper. And when you click on the generate key for that paper that has been generated along with the explanations will be displayed. Next, upon selecting the student option, it shows all the detailed information about specific students, and the institute can add and delete their number of students. In the question option, it will enable the management to view all the questions that are available in our database. The next major column is the reports column, which includes the categories like teacher students detailed report, chapter wise toppers report, class week students report, week area review report, and students assignment report, and the enquiries history report. In the student teacher details report section, the management can view the teacher who is associated with a particular student and the subject and their performance. In the chapter-wise toppers report, the management can select a batch and a particular subject and a chapter in that subject to see which student is topping in which chapter and at which subject. The class week students report helps the management in analyzing and identifying the weaker students in a particular class in every specific subjects. In the weak area report, the management can see the various weak areas of a particular student or a group of students individually or batch wise. They can also see the topic wise weak areas and the teachers who are associated with that subject. They can also monitor the remedial action taken by the teachers to improve the performance of the student in the particular weak areas. And they can also track the review progress of the students by whether the remedial action has helped them or not. In the student assignment report column, management can view the various assignments given by teachers at various subjects and the individual performance of the students in that particular assignment or in total of the assignments provided and how many have attempted the assignments and not. The enquiries pertained by the teacher to the management can be viewed in the enquiries history report. Thank you.